Hi everyone, trust you all are doing well. So this is a brand new series where we're going to learn how to create a blog membership with Stripe and Laravel. Right, so in this case, we've got a template right here, and this template is available on our GitHub. I will link a description for you. So where we're going to be able to use this template to actually do the functionality so that we don't have to do all the blade and the template stuff. So we can just get to the code itself. So you can obviously use your own template if you want to, or you can use this one. You can use it for commercially, just change a couple of things here and there, obviously suiting to your needs. All right, so this is just kind of the theme that we designed. You can use it however you want. All right, so that's basically our first page. So this is our hero section, and then we've got all our latest posts right here. And then we have our load more button right here. So if we want to load additional page, we're going to implement the Livewire so we can just load more posts as we go along. And this is just a description. I'm not going to make most of this functional, but this is just for you to use. So we've got our membership template right here. We're going to have a free one. Then we have a monthly, and then we have a yearly subscription base. Right, so we're going to use Stripe to actually set up these two products. And we're going to get to that part as well, but we want to implement the functionality first. And we're going to use a tag system. So basically, we don't have categories. We assign tags to a post, and then we're going to have those kind of categories right here. Right, then we're going to have an authors page. I'm thinking instead of just one author, maybe the admin, where the admin user can maybe create additional users that might be just assign a role of being a writer on the blog as well. Right, and the next thing that we have is we got a single page, basically a profile page of the authors and their latest post. Okay, just right here. And the next thing is the post single. Right, and this is basically the single post right here, and then we're going to implement functionality where we can be able to share the post to Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Telegram. And then we're going to implement the comment section functionality in here as well. And this is just a little bit about the author that actually write the blog right there, and their social details, and obviously viewing their profile. We'll go to the author single, and the latest post that's being published, doesn't matter which author, and obviously our tag cloud right here. Next thing is post by tag. So if we click on basically whatever tag and we get to that page, and then the latest post of that tag. And the next one is obviously the checkout that we're going to design, just design a little template, but Stripe has got elements where we can be able to maybe change this functionality and maybe make it look the same, but we will get to the JavaScript part right here for Stripe. And yes, all right, then we obviously got the login and register that comes with Jetstream. Right, so this is basically what we will be building. So this is the template that will be available in the description for you guys to use. And we make use of a couple of libraries. Right, so the libraries that we used is the AOS JavaScript. Let me just quickly show you what this is. And obviously, Alpine and Livewire, this comes default with Jetstream installation. Then we have the Blade UI kit and the Blade UI kit icons. Right, I just want to show you the AOS library, what that does. So that library is basically, if we scroll down, it's got a little bit animation and moving up, and if we go up, you'll see it actually removes it. So we're using a library to be able to do that. As you can see, the animation right here, all that is happening is because of that library that we installed. Right, so if you want to remove that functionality, you can. But I will show you in the next video how all of this is set up and how the theme actually works. So that's basically the intro for this one. And if you guys like the video, please give it a like. If you're interested, please follow us on the series. And yes, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.